Did you know that the Chrome browser has a reader mode? But if you want to use it, you have to turn it on. Let me show you how to do that, and then let's see the effects of using that reader mode. Let's start by opening a new tab, and then type the following in the address bar. Hit the Enter button. Once this opens, you want to type the following in the search bar. And once you type reader mode in the search bar, it opens it up in the experimental menu. And by default, that's what it's set to, default. Well, we want to use it, so let's enable it, turn it on. As soon as you do that, you need to relaunch the browser. So that's next, relaunch. Now we no longer need this tab. We've accomplished our task. The reader mode is now on. Let's close this tab. That puts us back to the article that we had before, but you'll notice there's now a new icon up next to the address of this website. And that is what the reader mode icon looks like. So if we want to use reader mode on this website, select it, just click on it, and watch what happens. Oh, now you have something that you can actually read. Notice all of the ads are gone on the side. All you've got is just the information that you came here to see in the first place. You'll also notice that up on top there's a little A. Well, that's for adjustments. So let's select it. And from here, there's a couple of things you can do. We right now are set on a white or light background, but you can change that. That makes it a nice and easy background. You can also go into dark mode if that's what you prefer. You've got another adjustment that you can use, and that's going from small all the way up to large. Make things easier on your eyes. And you can see that you can really go to very large. Once you've got it set the way you want it, close this little box and enjoy the reader mode in Google's Chrome. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Bye-bye.